front brakes first. Rear brakes. So I'm on the Austin today. I've just jacked this front driver's side wheel up, and I've noticed that there is a slight amount of play in the wheel bearing. So I'm just going to try and adjust that up a notch. As it turns out, I can't actually adjust the bearing. It's a fit once job. So all I've done is repack it with grease for now, and we'll see it. We'll keep an eye on it basically. What I want to do next is just take this wheel off, because I've never actually looked at the brake shoes on this car. Okay, so I've got the driver's side off without too much issue. Everything appears to be well greased. So I'm just going to adjust it up, and hopefully we'll have some better brakes on this wheel. I'd just like to pay some attention to these brake linings. Appear to have lots of, well, I say lots, plenty of meat left on them. I'm a bit dubious about this because they're bound to contain asbestos. So I managed to adjust up the driver's side. This is the passenger side. Everything again looking very clean, quite well greased. A fair amount of meat on the shoes. So get this drum back on, get it adjusted, and then see what the pedals like.